Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. Well, what can I say about Hallmark Christmas movies? I think you either love them or you hate them. I myself have actually been enjoying watching some of the movies over the past couple of years as they've become more and more popular. Not all of them, but some of them I've really enjoyed. And I think one of the reasons why a lot of people really enjoy watching these movies is because they really kind of give you this cozy feeling, which I think is the feeling that a lot of us want to feel during Christmas time. But another reason why I really enjoy watching them is for the fashions. Usually, I'm watching the female main characters' outfits. So today, I thought it would be fun to kind of just play around with some clothes and come up with some outfits worthy of a Hallmark Christmas movie main character. So, some of the common elements that I've noticed in the outfits of the main female characters in Hallmark Christmas movies are like different types of blouses, different sweaters, especially if it's like a Fair Isle type sweater or a Christmas type sweater, turtleneck sweaters, a heeled type of booty, skinny jeans, wool coats, especially in red with scarves and different types of hats. And then also, you usually see them walking around with some sort of like a satchel type purse. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. So this outfit that I put together, just a pair of blue skinny jeans and a blue turtleneck top, which actually seems kind of festive to me, and a heeled booty. I think I can see myself in a Hallmark movie, baking some cookies or, at some sort of like family event. What do you think? So with this outfit, I just switched out the top and I put on this mock neck Fair Isle type sweater, which, I mean, come on, this one just screams Hallmark Christmas movie vibes. I think this sweater would also be really good with maybe a pair of leggings and a pair of like boots, like UGG type boots or winter boots for like the type of Hallmark movie where they're like going into the mountains or they're going skiing or they're staying at some sort of a lodge. But yeah, so I really like this look as well. So now taking a quick detour through blouses. So this first blouse is of course a very festive green color. It's, a peplum style, so it's kind of flattering for anyone. And it's got like these long blousey sleeves. So yeah, I definitely think that this type of blouse could be in a Hallmark Christmas movie. So I went a little rogue with this outfit, but I definitely could see this outfit being in a Hallmark Christmas movie, like maybe the businesswoman who goes to the small town or something like that with these red pants and a white blouse, which of course this outfit is very festive on its own. And then I went a little bit outside of the box with these snake print Cole Haan wedges, but I think it really kind of complements the outfit. Now this outfit is my most favorite out of all of them. And this one is actually inspired by a Christmas movie that I saw on Netflix with this gold ruffly sweater and these black skinny jeans and these brown little booties. This outfit, I really feel like I could be in a Hallmark Christmas movie, like making cookies or just kind of hanging around. Yeah, this one's really worthy of a Hallmark Christmas movie. So this outfit, I think, kind of epitomizes what a Hallmark movie main character would wear while they're, say, walking through, the small town with the red wool coat and white winter hat and a scarf, of course, even though this one's a little long, but it'll do, and my trusty satchel. Well, that's about it. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the outfits that I came up with. Also, let me know if there are any elements of main character outfits that you think I might have missed out on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you very soon in another video.